everybody wants it everywhere.
Hello.
You gotta take your shoes off and your socks.
Did he win?
Oops. Win now.
I'm not. It's my, yeah. I think I'll let the little dogs carry on, and we'll go by the same stage. Well, that's what you thought of the act, huh?
Okay, let's do the upper paw pose. All of them rise up, extend, extend, extend. Now ready, gently fold forward in loose dog position. Just gently fold forward, hold your dog, support your dog, and relax. There you go. Very nice, breathe, don't forget to breathe. And bring him back into the center. Well done, everybody.
I think that's enough Doga for one day.
He's been on your shoes! He's been on your shoes!
Robbie, that was so un-yogic.
There's literally wee everywhere.
I think someone needs to get a mop.
Whose dog was it? Oh. Daddy will carry you.
Whenever you're ready.
Hey, you can say good evening. You speak English? It's my night. Come on, hey, say something.
No.
What why not? It's fantastic, come on. Sprechen Sie Deutsch?
Yes.
Oh my God.
No, listen. English?
Si.
Spanish?
Oui.
Français?
Okay.
Okay. Hey, Wendy, listen to me. You think I am stupid?
Yes. This is brilliant! I want one!
So, well, you don't want to speak anymore?
No.
Okay. And now?
Oh, yes, I want.
You know how to sing?
No.
What?
Yes, yes, yes.
Good. Okay. Well, we listen to you.
Meow.
It's bow wow, eh? You understand?
Meow.
Music, please. We're gonna sing something for you, all right? Okay. Don't look at me. Don't look at the audience like that. Feelings. Come on.
Feelings.
Nothing more.
Nothing.
More.
No.
Trying to forget. All together, okay?
No.
Please, come on. It's pretty good talent, okay? All together. Feelings.
Ay, ay.
Feelings.
Oh, my God.
Good evening, everyone. And Wendy, say hello to our nice ladies and gentlemen. Wendy.
It's not Wendy.
No, it's
Princess Wendy.
the famous goes to Wendy Little's head.
I met a Welsh corgi.
No, you mean one of a dog of a queen?
Yeah.
Oh, is here?
Yeah.
Oh, well, when are you going to marry?
Next week.
Next week? No, I don't believe you.
Ask her.
Ask to a queen. But the queen, sadly, is not here. But we do have our lovely judges. Eh? Maybe Amanda could be your bridesmaid.
No, she's too common.
No, I'm sorry, Amanda. I'm sorry. But one of the judges can teach you how to behave like a princess, how to be glamorous, to be regal, to be feminine.
Like David.
Alicia could sing at your wedding.
I never like mystic.
And you are so catty.
No, I am a doggy.
And Simon, I'm sure he will be invited for your weddings. Eh? What do you think?
I think
Yes.
it's a big fat no from me.
Music, please. Music.
I don't want to sing.
Yes, you sing. Okay. Oh, your Highness, forget the corgi.
Okay, I sing.
Good.
Dog save the queen.
Oh.
You and I,
Must make a pact. Come on.
we shall bring.
Salvation back. It's good, I like it.
Don't touch me.
Where there is love. Come on.
I don't care.
Oh, no. I be there. I reach out my hands to you.
Don't touch me or I bite you.
Well, call my name. Watch out, attention.
And I be there.
Yeah! It's good.
But I don't care.
Oh, you don't care? You come on now. Okay, you go to your room, okay? You're gonna sleep, okay? All right. Come on.
Now, judges, before you go, last year we gave you a gift. Judges, we gave you a gift.
Yes.
Of your professional judge lookalikes.
Oh, that was
Amanda, you were over the moon with yours.
tragic.
Well, this year, guys, the team have excelled themselves. And we have found your professional doggy lookalike.
Yes!
Everyone, give it up. This is true.
I love
Everyone,
it.
give it up for Britain's Got Talent. Dog-alikes! David Lafayette! Alicia Dodson! Amanda Houndon!
Is that Shih Tzu?
And Simon Brown! You like it? They are your proper dog-alikes. Which dog do you think looks like their judge the most?
Alicia.
Alicia, there you go. David, what resemblance do you think you have to your dog?
I do think I look
Are
very.
you going to go for up close?
Let's go and stand next to them.
Oh, go on then, judges. Go on, get beside your dog-alikes. Why not? What a treat. Only on Britain's Got More Talent. Give the dogs a round of applause, everyone. Right. What a treat. Look, and that is why we have never won an award on this show. That's why. Thank you to all of the judges and the callers, our dog-alikes, and your Britain's Got Talent judges just there looking, enjoying themselves.
A huge welcome to the show.
I'm excited to be here.
I'm excited to meet you. Now, what's your name, sir?
My name is Christian Stoyanevy.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Okay, it's not a problem. Really good luck, really rooting for you.
All right, thank you very much.
It's a cute little dog. Bang your bin, Percy.